Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pay back margin uh, in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is to have funds in your Robinhood account so you can be able to repay the margins. And all you need to do is to start depositing funds so until you ensure that you have enough funds in your Robinhood account. And also you will be needing just to check your margin balance and make sure to view your margin balance and see the amount that you owe. And to repay the loan, you will not you are not required to make any specific payments toward your margin loan unless your account balance falls below the maintenance margin. And simply all you can do when you start investing in Robinhood, you will need just to simply start using Robinhood, and you can simply start trading and paying whatever you like with the margins, and simply just wait until the schedule comes and make sure that you have already your the amount or the funds that are already in your account by depositing funds into your wallet, and by the you will be able to start your uh, repaying back Robinhood for the margins or for the loans. And also you will need just to make sure to be aware of the Robinhood interests on the margin loan. And the interest, of course, will continue to accumulate until the loan is paid off, and they will be make sure to have enough funds for that. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.